Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start now. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works. If you prefer wired, plug a compatible HDMI adapter into your phone and the TV. This bypasses wireless lag. On Android, open Cast in Settings or Quick Settings. On iPhone, swipe to Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. Once you tap your TV or adapter name, the phone advertises video output and negotiates resolution, so the image fits the screen. After you select the target device, you'll often see a permission prompt. Allow screen capture and media sharing so audio and notifications can route to the TV. Make sure to pick the correct receiver name. If multiples appear, look for the model printed on the TV or dongle. Once connected, adjust aspect ratio or display scaling in either the phone's cast options or the TV's picture settings so content isn't cropped. This minimizes black bars and keeps touch responses in sync. To finish, stop casting from the same control where you started or change the TV input to exit mirror mode. That ensures apps return to normal on your phone. If audio is missing on a wired connection, set the TV's audio input to HDMI or check phone volume and media output. Make sure software is up to date for both devices to avoid compatibility issues. Key troubleshooting tip: if mirroring fails, restart both devices or unplug, and replug the HDMI/adapter to clear transient connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.